Olga Simonova. My professional career as a designer and porcelain painter began in Russia. Diverse Russian art history, especially icon and naive painting, influenced my artistic style. For over the past 20 years, I have been living and working in Germany. My many years of experience as a designer in a porcelain manufactory, as well as the constant examination of material, form, and color, have had a profound impact on my current artistic style. My three-dimensional form contains a subject that is played back scene by scene while shooting. It is about love and sexuality, longing and jealousy, reconciliation and loss. In order to perceive my art as a creation, you must take your time. I work instinctively to create my own intimate universe that reveals relationships, connections, and contradictions as I perceive them. Porcelain, as a most versatile material, is indispensable for the expression of my ideas. The porcelain surface is used as a canvas for my paintings. The interplay of sculpture, graphics, and painting represents the essence of my creations.